Hello, today I would like to show you how you can do well on your task 2. This is from opinion essays. Some may call it agree disagree, but I'll settle with opinion essays. So anyway, some people believe that technology has made man more social. To what extent do you agree or disagree with this opinion? So anyway, so I'll start with this one. And some argue, let's get started. Some argue that modern technologies such as mobile phones, laptops, and iPod have helped to improve people's social lives, or whether the opposite has become the case. All right. So personally, I strongly agree with the latter view. By this I mean that I disagree with the opinion mentioned right here. So because I'm saying the second one is a true, that which means this one. So I'll get back to this a little bit later. So and we'll give some reasons and examples to demonstrate my point and prove arguments. Alright, this one is an introduction that we have finished here. As you can see, that wasn't really tricky. All we have done is here, just we paraphrase this one a little bit, and then we just try to write a thesis here. So for each section, I'll try to give them color. Like for this, I want to give some color to make it outstanding. Oh, it's not visible then. So okay, I think I'll settle with background color. Okay, background color is going to be red here, or yellow. Okay, it's more perfect. Here is the introduction. Our introduction is right here. So now I'll start with a first body paragraph where I'll start writing topic, then explanation, then example. Okay, that wasn't really tricky, so let's get started. So I hope you understand the point. So the firstly, there is powerful daily evidence that such technologies can be detrimental, especially to the younger generation, who are more easily affected by its addictive nature, which can result in people feeling more isolated from the society. Well, as you can see, I gave him topic. Now I'll start giving some explanation again. So the central reason behind this is the invention of online social media sites and apps such as Twitter and Facebook have reduced crucial face to face interactions dramatically. For example, through use of this appealing and attractive mediums, people may feel in touch and connected, yet lack key social skills and the ability to communicate. All right. Okay, as you can see that we have written, so as I mentioned earlier that I've written topic explanation example that I want to mention separately. So first one is the topic I've written here, so I want to give them color like red is too much. I think which color fits better, so let's set with yellow, and then I give them explanations. I want to extract this as well, so I think this is better. All right, this color, and then this one is for examples. I want to give them another color as well. I guess this one is better. So here we have a reports topic explanation example. It's not really tricky, is it? And yeah, we have so much done this body one. So I explained that it drastically reduced our social interactions, and then I want to give another body paragraph. Well, I'll start with body paragraph 2. So secondly, so as you can see, I have the firstly, so I have to write the secondly as well because it's kind of rule. So secondly, dependency on such devices can be built up easily, which may have a damaging effect on mental health and encourage a sedentary lifestyle. As you can see that this is all about a sedentary lifestyle and a dependency on the technologies. So I'll start giving an example. As a result, explanation actually, it is conclusively clear that these technologies advancements have technology advancements, actually I should have said, sorry about that. Technology advancements have decreased and diminished. Sorry about this. Decreased and diminished our real life interactions. For instance, people prefer to send and share some image and chat online instead instead of visiting each other and spend time in their houses rather than socializing out with their close ones. Okay, so as you can see that we have done this as well. So our body 2 is ready. So first of all is a topic. This one is a topic. This is a topic here. Well, I want to give them a color as well again. So this color, and then this color is coming up. So this one is color, another color. Here I'll give it. Okay, no, this one, yeah, and then I'll give, for instance, part. All right, this color. Okay, first this is done, and now what we have to do is to just write a conclusion. Conclusion is kind of rather simple. That we have to just summarize the main points. Okay, in conclusion, from the arguments and examples given, I firmly believe that overall communication and individual stability has been reduced enormously due to the huge technological influence of the past 20 years, and it can be predicted that its popularity may continue to do so. Alright, that we finished our conclusion as well, that we have the here introduction, our body 1, body 2. I'll describe each part separately, so I hope it's helpful for you. And yeah, I'll give this color again. I think yellow is much better, so it's fitting. And if you have any questions, let me know, and I'll be more than glad to answer any questions. Thank you so much for watching, and don't forget to subscribe. And I'll see you next time. Have a nice day. Bye, my queridos.